He's keeping it real, you know. Yeah, look at this guy. He want to follow. He's like, fuck it, everybody's doing what I'm doing. Before you know, we're gonna create a third lane. I like go through there, but fuck it. I'm telling you, when it's traffic, that's what people like. People they don't give themselves enough time to get to work, and that's when shit goes like. They start, you know, the fuck, really? This is what we doing? You know, special lane just for him. Wow. But you know what I'm saying? This is what we doing. You know, so you don't know until you actually
dishes. Like she only left, you know, like one dish, one cup, one this, one that. You know, it's not. She put everything away, everything from the kitchen.
Yeah.